Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you what you can do if your WhatsApp status is not showing. So this is going to be quick and easy. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp and tap on the three dots on the upper right and tap on settings. Now from here, tap on privacy and tap on status here. So you have to make sure that My Contacts is selected. In this way, your status will be shared to all your contacts in WhatsApp. Now, if this is all good and you still have the problem, what you can do is you can go to your phone settings, go to apps, now go to WhatsApp, scroll down and go to storage. And here, let's clear the cache. So let's tap on clear cache. And that should solve your issue. Now, I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.